Hi, Jeffrey Cornwell here at Marino Performance Motors in West Palm Beach, Florida. I'm going to do a video walk around on our Nissan GTR. This car is in very good condition. It's been sitting in a collection, which is why the miles are so low. It's got a couple small little rock picks here on the front, and I'm just going to use the tip of the ballpoint pen to point them out, to put them into perspective. Just normal, just from a car with 5,000 miles on it. We come around, take a look at the passenger side. At the wheel, no scuff marks on the wheel. There's no dings or scratches down the passenger side. See no curb marks on the rear wheel. See, everything looks good here on the back. The wing is in great condition. See, the carbon fiber on the rear splitter is in good shape. Come down here, down the driver's side, rear wheel, no curb spots. Going down the side of the car, there's no dings or scratches. There's really not much I can point out on this negative other than a couple small little rock pecks on the front. You can see the wheel, the front driver's side. No curb rash there. The hood. It's just dust. There's really no rock pecks on the hood. Like I said, it's just a really, really nice example. Come in here and we'll take a look at the inside. The inside on this car shows like virtually brand new. There's no bolster wear on the seats. The rear seats look like they've probably never even been sat in. Door panels in great shape. The inner door sill is not all scuffed up. Jump in here and we'll start it up. Go ahead and close the door. 5,799 miles as it sits. Couple just quick, easy revs. Navigation, all the carbon fiber is extremely nice. Air's blowing cold. No warning lights, no check engine lights. Dash is in great shape. Jump out and go around to the other side. Passenger side, you see the door panels all great. Leather's in really nice shape. There's no wear marks. Sill is great. No bolster wear on the seats. Again, on the rear seats, everything's looks like it's never probably even been sat in. Headliner is all intact. Over here and take a look underneath the hood. See how nice and clean everything is here. This car is 100% stock. No modifications, no modifications. VIN tag there on the fender. Other fender, VIN tag on the hood. Again, you can just see how nice and clean everything is. Everything looks great. There's our VIN tag on the passenger door. Rear fender. Come around here to the driver's side. See our VIN tags there. All the tags are in place. VIN tag on the door. Open the rear trunk and take a look back here. So our VIN tag is in place here. Everything back here looks like it's brand new. Again, this is just an extremely nice example all the way around. Take a look at the underside of the GTR. You can see the front lip is in good shape. Got a couple little minor scuffs here on the underside. Nothing major. Come look under here. See how nice and clean everything is up here on the front suspension. See underneath here, everything looks super nice. Just a super nice example. A little sticker still on the muffler here. Slide these trays back out of the way. See here, everything looks great. Super nice and clean. I didn't touch this. This is how it came into us. Carbon fiber here on the rear is in great shape. There's no damage to it. Get this one slide back out of the way. Everything looks just really nice under here.